Hello again, boys and girls. Yep, it's me, Matt, from the Real Toy Shop again with another beauty. Doing a one-hit walk-around video in one take. So your eyes are literally this screen right now of this Kawasaki ZZR1400 Performance Edition. 2016 bike. Let's have a walk around it. This super duper hyper tourer, and let's see what you think. So, starting with the obvious, yes, it's in proper Kawasaki green. So, proper rifle. It's got the metallic paint. Hopefully you can see that's picking up on that. Oh yeah, I can see it in the screen. Condition of the bike is lovely. Couple of tiny little touch-ins. I'll show you those as we go around if the camera will pick them up because they are small. But what we've got here is a massive, comfy, hyper touring machine that's the Performance Edition with the good bits on it. So let's start the front. We've got these Brembo brakes, recessed. Remember what I've said to you before about the Brembos being recessed or raised? These are the recessed, so the better ones. Look at the headers in there. We're going to get some mileage in a bit, I guess. It's got a rad guard in there as well. And then as we poke through, you can see the condition of the rads and stuff like that through the gaps. Walk around the bike. Obviously, ZZR Performance Edition, the 1400. Also, it's got a set of Öhlins on it. So you've got Öhlins suspension and the all-important Akrapovič pipes. Akrapovič carbon heel plates on the pipes as well. And hopefully you can see the condition of the bike as we're walking around. Coming to the back, good back tyre. No plate on the bike, nothing ridiculous or anything sinister behind that. Plate's off it because it had a Cherish plate on it, and that's now gone back to the owner, and we're just waiting for the new plate to actually arrive. And then that can go on the bikes, but better to get the video out and let you have a look at the bike. So it's 2016 bike, just remember that. So as we go around the bike, you'll see it's all lovely condition. I'm not sure what that is. Can anyone drop that in the comments below? Any of you guys that keep coming back as well and leaving little comments, it's always appreciated. We love it. And anyone else who wants to leave comments, that's great too. But what is that? New one on me. Not seen that before, so I'm all ears. Round here is somewhere you won't be able to see it on the camera, I know you won't. But there's a little touch in there. Maybe you can see it, I don't know. And I think somewhere else, maybe there, but it looks to me like somebody has got just a little bit too close to the garden wall. They certainly haven't come off it because there's nothing on the hero blobs or any of those or any of the bar ends or anything like that. So, you know, it's definitely, it's not like it's been over, but he might have got a bit too close to the garden wall and just touched that at some point in its life. Remember, bike's not brand new. I can't even pick that up on the camera. Bike's not brand new. If you want new ones, they are available for a lot more money. Tank protection and knee grips there for side of the tank, and also stop your tank getting marked as well. And then someone has had the foresight and good thinking to fit a set of Oxford grips as well, heated grips. So this time of the year, if you've got any sort of commuting or riding, you just want to go out on a Sunday blast. It's not warm, is it? Get your dandies heated. It's a lot nicer. All the different bits and pieces there for scrolling through the digital dash on the top. You can find all sorts of information there. Change your traction control and all that. So it's got K-Track on it. It's a Kawasaki thing. Kawasaki traction control, I believe. Someone's fitted a power socket there. So that's a handy dandy tie wrap holding that on. But it works. And you can plug your phone in or whatever if you want to, or sat nav or your gloves, whatever you want to plug in, that's on there too. Now, while I'm round here and I've got this, what we could do for you on the bike, if you've got a part exchange, pop there. That's where we take all the information on all the bikes you've got and cars and everything else. Ooh, listen to that. Someone's having a good time. And I'm still here videoing. Firework night. So, that's there. So you can send us a part X. No good trying to catch us on the phone or anything like that. There's only me does the part X's, and I'm off and out delivering. That number there, keep hold of that if you want some monthly payments on the finance or whatever. Talk to one of us in the office and we'll do our best to get you hooked up with that. If you like the payments, we could put you through with our finance provider. Right, carry on the walk with a bike. Also, if you nip to that website, all the information on this bike will be there. all the stuff I miss out here, like the important stuff, like, you know, keys, service history, all that kind of good stuff, the proper details, all on the website. So take yourself there and have a good look. So I think we've kind of gone all the way around the bike now, haven't we? MRA screen, look, with the holes in, stops the buffeting, if you didn't know. Yeah, so we've gone all the way around the bike now. You can see, actually, as I walk past there, look, tiny mark on the end of the mirror again. You can't bloody see it, but it's there. We've told you about the Part X side of things, and we've also told you about the finance side of things. In a minute, we'll run this bike up, and you can have a listen to those Akras, see if they're noisy enough, see if they're up to specification for your neighbours, and show you the mileage. But before we get there, obviously, here at the Real Toy Shop, we'll talk about delivery. Well, here we have always delivered for absolutely nothing. Yes. That's me, my happy smiling face. We'll be coming to see you in the Real Toy Shop van, which, by the way, if you see, give us a honk. Ooh, they're removable, I think. Give us a honk, and I will try not to give you the middle finger, because I think I've just hacked you off. But you'll see that black Volkswagen Crafter, purpose-built van, big ramps in it. My happy smiling face will come to see you with this, and that's your bike. But we get a lot of folk, you know, the world is a scary place now. Don't want to pay you before I've seen the bike and all this kind of stuff. Well, that's kind of cool. I like that. But the bike is here. Come and see it. We won't be sort of doing a long distance viewing whereby I go all the way to Cornwall and you look at it and go, nah, colour's a bit wrong for me. So if you've got to do that, come and see us here. Let's be sensible. We'll have a cup of tea and all the rest of it. I'll deliver it on a different day. That's absolutely fine. And it's no good saying to me, well, you're miles from me, because I know I can't help where you're looking at bikes. That's down to yourself, isn't it? So, but if after looking at this, this is your witness statement, if you like. If after looking at this you decide, Matt, I've got to have that in my shed, and why wouldn't you? And you want to buy it, this video shows everything. If it turns up, it's dinted, marked, anything like that we haven't spoke about here, then of course that's on us, not on you. So speak to us on the phone, give us a telephone, talk to us like human beings used to, and have a good conversation. And you might like us, you might not, you might decide you don't want to buy from us, whatever. You should do, but it's old-fashioned, isn't it? I know everyone wants to press a button and buy a bike, and it'd be everyone else's responsibility for not going and looking at it. But anyway, have a look on the website. All the details are there, time frames and everything else for delivery. So if you do decide to take up the free delivery, which again isn't a concierge service. Oh, it's got paint protection on this. No wonder it's in good nick. It's not a concierge service. You know, it's free. You make yourself available for us. We don't sort of come on Wednesday between 3 and 4 in Essex, because that'd be crazy. So yeah, anyway, we're all adults, we all know how it works. Go on the website, you'll see for yourself. Right, all that aside now, we've done all of that. We've spoke about the van, we've spoke about Part X's, we've spoke about monthly payments, and we've spoke about the bike. And you're all screaming, I want to hear them Akras. Yeah, I know you do. And I want to know what the mileage is, Matt. Well, that's coming, it's coming. So mileage is coming, Akras are coming. What's first? Well, you know, regular viewers will know. If you need to ask your missus, and by that I'm not going to be sexist, your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover, whoever you've got to ask your missus first. Missus is code for all of those people. So ask them first. We'll have a good long talk about the bike on the phone. We'll discuss everything, but don't end the conversation. I'm off to ask your missus. Whoa, grow up here, buy the bike. Beg for forgiveness, it's way more fun. Right, noise time. Boom. Kawasaki. Here we go. 35 miles of range. Oh, not a lot of fuel in there. I'll put some in it before it comes to you. 24,500 miles. Absolutely nothing for a beast like this. Nothing. Right, noise, come on. Woohoo! Yes, I've warmed it up. Did I show you that? Look, warm. For all them that's going to go, you can't rev that when it's warm. That ain't going to upset your neighbours, is it? I don't think it will anyway. Let's have a tip you up here like that. Can we see them pipes? Ooh, just. Yeah. Right, let's have a one from here. Hopefully that has set you off. But listen to the engine, do a bit of a rev from here. Quiet as a mouse, lovely order. As you can see, we've got power modes on this as well. I can't remember how you work them, I'll be honest. Let's have a little look. Oh yeah, that's it. So we go through power, full, traction 2, 3, back to power again. What's low, fast, fast and low. Let's go fast and low. Well, you can see there a few bits and pieces to look at. Me flash the lights there. What else have we got? I'm just still doing that, aren't I? Oh, there we go. Look, go through some other stuff, trips, mileages, all that kind of good stuff. Usual kind of gump if you get on a bike like this. It's all there. Also, carbon look petrol cap as well. That's pretty, isn't it? Right. Let's back up. Let's back away from the bike. Step back from the bike and let's have a roundup. So, number one, you want this bike, it needs to be in your shed. I get it, I understand it. So, number one, what's number one? Number one, fill the Part X form in on the website, which we all know where that is. Give that a little filling in. Number two, if you need some finance, happy days, give us a ring, we'll sort that out for you, we'll see what we can do. Number three, well, let's get it paid for, let's get it into that van and transport it to you free as quick as we can. Ha! Some sort of poet. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. We always appreciate you coming and having a look. And there's loads more videos on the channel. You can have a look at those. Bikes, cars, nutcases, riding and all that kind of stuff. And YouTube thinks you might like that one or that playlist. But I think hit that button there and subscribe. Give us all the love in the world. And we'll see you on the next one. And hopefully the channel's grown a bit more and we can have another crazy bike for you. See you on the next one. Bye for now.